guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the perfect winged eyeliner for your eye shape and your face, your beautiful face. So if you want to know how to do that, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for me. Thanks. Okay, so first you're obviously going to need an eyeliner pen. Alright, next you're going to need a mirror. I have mine right here. Okay, so first things first, you're going to get your eyeliner. I'm using the NYX 2-timer double-sided liner. One side is a felt tip and the other side is a kohl liner. So one side is for top, other side is bottom. Okay, so to get the perfect wing eyeliner, you're going to follow your waterline. So where your waterline ends, you're going to follow that up. And that's perfect for you because it's like customized to you. So that's what's going to look best on you. Okay, so the way I like to do this, I start out to in. I don't like to go in to out. I don't know. It's a thing. It works for me. So when you're starting off with that line, you're going to want to tug. Not so hard. You're going to tug gently. And it's going to create a more even surface to start drawing your liner on. Okay, so once you've drawn on the top liner part, you can either freehand it or you can take an object like a straight edge and continue that line. So, but make sure it's like angled. So, alright, let's use tape. I'll use tape to show you because if you're starting off, you're not going to want to freehand it. You can, but it's a little difficult. Okay, so I have a piece of tape. And I'm going to place it carefully, continuing my, okay? So I place it, and as you can see, it's continuing that same waterline, okay? Now I'm going to take my same eyeliner pen, and I'm going to go in and fill it in. Okay, so once you've drawn it on, give it a few seconds, and then peel it off. And there you have it. You have the perfect winged eyeliner for your face shape and your eye shape.